How to screenshot BeReal without them knowing. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can screenshot BeReal without letting the other users know that you have screenshotted them. Now, there are two quick real ways that you can screenshot it. The first thing is what you can do is use a screen recorder app. Now head over to your app store and then search in for screen recorder, any screen recorder that you want. And then you can use it to screen record. Now since I'm already screen recording, I won't be able to show it to you, but if you don't have a default device recorder, you can head into your app store and download screen recorder. And what you can do is first start recording and then open up the app and head into any chats that you want to screenshot and record it thoroughly. And once you do it, what you can do is head into your gallery and then you can screenshot it, whatever you want to screenshot or the chat that you want to screenshot. The second way is if you are on Android device, what you can do is enable your Google Voice Assistant. And once you enable your Google Voice Assistant, what you can do is say, "Hey Google," and once your Google Assistant opens up, what you can say is take a quick screenshot, or you can just say, "Hey Google, take a screenshot," and it'll take screenshot real quick. But what it'll give you an option to share it to various other platforms, but it won't give you an option to save to device. So what you can do is share it to WhatsApp or somewhere else. You can create your own account and then share it there, and you can save it later from there. So this way you can screenshot BeReal without letting other users know. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.